welcome. My name is Vanessa, beauty, skincare, and lifestyle, all about it. In today's video, we are going to talk about a skincare device. So excited. Thank you so much to MimiSilk for sending me this for review. I am all about skincare devices. I have tried so many of them, and this specific laser is a good one. It's an advanced, and it has the strength. 1450, wow. It's an advanced, powerful laser, safe to use at home. Now, I do get lots of products for collaboration, and I do read about it, and I want to make sure I'm going to love the product. In today's video, it's going to be a little different. I don't want to go step by step, and I do have the unboxing. Yes, the boxes are perfect. It comes in well packaged. This is the first time I'm going to be using it. Such a nice one. It is lightweight. It has the pouch for traveling. I don't want to elongate my videos. I want to go straight to it. I want to work on my forehead, on my smile lines. This is a perfect device for the 11s, the laughing lines, smile lines. I did have laser done, so I don't want to work around this area of my skin. So I've been a little bit MIA. I'm trying to heal. I did do this side with a professional dermatologist. This healed nicely. Now I'm waiting. This is just done maybe like 4 days ago. It's healing well. I have a few big ones there, so I don't want to have anything to do with any device to touch this area. It's a very delicate, especially this area here is a very delicate skin. So we want to be cautious. Now, if you're the first time on my channel, first time talking about skincare devices, you want to start slow. There is strength 1, 2, and 3. You always want to go down to the first. You don't want to go so high because you don't want to burn your skin. Laser is laser, even if it's safe to use at home. You try it and then you start working it little by little. Consistency is key. The more you use it, the better results you get. So as I've been working my forehead with other skincare, not only my skincare products, because that is an enhance, it really does help. Consistency is key. When it comes to skincare tools, you don't want to use them so close. You want to give yourself time. So when you're using laser, you want to stick with laser. You use laser, then you use your skincare, masks and under eyes and moisturizers. Yes, because you want your skin to feel nice and hydrated. I don't like to mix lasers with radio frequency, so many devices out there. So we're going to focus on laser. I have used laser before. This one is a pretty powerful one. I think this one is more powerful than the other laser device that I have safely that I use at home. And so easy. So easy, and it goes straight to it. It has for the forehead, it has for the cheeks, it has for right here under your neck. I would not go by my neck area down here, décolletage when it comes to laser. I do want to keep it more up in the area. When you're working your eyebrows, you're working your forehead. When you're working this part right here, you're working your under eyes. You always remember you don't need to go directly to your eyebrows, directly to your eye. No, it doesn't work like that. We are going to go to number 2. And then I'm going to go straight to my forehead because I want to work my forehead. What part of your face structure do you normally focus on? I want to know about it. Let's talk about it down below. Forehead. So now you go straight to it. Now, this is a guide. You need to go to your guide. You need to read the instructions step by step. You cleanse your skin. So I am completely cleansed, pat dry, and then you go straight to it. It's right here, the arrows, back and forth. Then you go to the other arrow, up and down. So easy. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. So let's say I want to go to my forehead first. So let's go. Feels good. Straight to it. Lightly. Obviously, the more pressure you do, you are going to feel a little zap. There's like a little zapping in there, but it's like cooling at the same time. Wow. That is like a nice instant effect. The zapping does not burn. Right on top of my eyebrow area. So now I want to go on my 11s. You go straight to your 11s, up and down. Up and down. The same thing with the brow. Up. I don't know, it just feels so nice. And it has like a fan. A little fan there. Up and down. Very, very lightly. So nice. And it's so easy to read these instructions. I like when they put like little images for you to really see. What do you do after you're done? You want to cool off. You see a little bit of the redness. Not bad. I do want to go down here to the area of the smile lines. And then you go up. I had a laser here, so this is completely healed. So this is the chin area. You're working it, and you're working under here as well. You don't need to go directly. The same thing with your smile. You don't need to go straight to your lip. It feels nice. And there is like a little bit of red, not painful at all. It feels so nice. You can see the redness here. You can see the redness over here. Look at that. Really, really nice device. I could go higher because I have a lot of experience with this. Like I want to work with my hooded eyes. So, let me go a little bit higher. Like right here. Up. It has that fan and it feels so nice. I'm going to incorporate this. I'm going to use it for about 3 months. And I do want to come back and talk about this device a little bit more because the first time I'm using it, I love the traveling. I'm traveling twice this year. I'm going to definitely take it with me. It fits so nice. Look at that. You could just put this in your... I am obsessed with skincare, everything. 1450 Advanced Skin Renewing Device. I will be putting a few things up here. What is the skincare about? What is a skincare device about? It's a laser. It's a powerful laser, safe to use at home. Thank you so much to MimiSilk for sending me this product. You could use it frequency, 3 to 4, safe, 3 to 4 times per week. And then you could change it up. Keep the hydration. Do people do microneedling and radio frequency. You don't mix them together because it's so powerful together that you might not even see results. You're going to see burning and your skin could get damaged. So I would not mix microneedling with any device. I would not use radio frequency with any device. Even though radio frequency is more of the red light therapy, I could use the red light therapy mask with any device. So right after a laser, right after radio frequency, right after any type of microneedling, you could use the red light mask. It's safe. You could use all the skincare, your moisturizers. Be careful with over exfoliating. I do not skip sun protection, SPF 50 up, all that good stuff. Now that it's the winter, now that it's freezing cold, yes, you go out after a skincare routine, you're going to feel that energy on your skin. Maybe that's not a good idea, but when the weather gets better, the springtime is the best time to do anything to do with, chemical peelings, microneedling, lasers. Spring is probably the best time because your skin is refreshed. Now, you don't want to overexert your skin because you'll see all that wrinkleness. Why do your skin wrinkles more? Because you're overexerting your skin with so many different type of products, so many different type of skincare devices. Now, I don't want to elongate my videos. There's so many videos out there. Down below, I have a link. Check it out. It's Valentine. You want to gift yourself. Why not? I love to gift myself. And beauty. What woman out there doesn't love beauty and learning about beauty and reading about beauty and taking care of your skin in your own comfort of your own home? There is, of course, you want to pamper yourself. You want to go out there a little bit and give yourself a little extra love. But I want to do my little extra love at home as well. So using your own personal skincare devices feels so good. I've been doing it for a long time. I have it by my nightstand. I have them in my bathroom area, and it makes me so happy. What makes you happy? Down below, let me know. What is your favorite skincare routine, your skincare device? I want to know about it. Did you try this laser? Have you tried laser? I want to know. Thank you so much. Down below, I have all the information. There is so many videos out there about laser. Check them out. Find guidance. In your YouTube videos, I find so many guidance. Thank you for being part of Love Your Skin, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.